it was around 50 degrees in Delhi and I was also not feeling my best. So I decided to pack my bags and then I left for ISBT Delhi. Took an overnight bus from there and reached Haridwar at around 4:30 am the next morning. Hi, I'm Shimli and come join me on my first ever solo trek. I am right now in Ukhimat. Reached here 2 or 3 hours ago and then I took a quick nap and now I'm thinking that I'll go to Omkareshwar temple. The view from my room is so pretty. This is the winter abode of Kedarnath Ji and the temple was very close to from where I was staying, so I thought of going there for the aarti and it was so peaceful there. Also look at the snow-capped mountains. I was constantly smiling year to year. I was so happy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा peaceful सा environment है यहाँ पे. कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, बट मज़ा आ रहा है. कल सुबह आई विल गो फॉर दी तुंगनाथ चंद्रशिला ट्रैक, तो इसीलिए मैं ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करूँगी, मैं सो जाऊँगी आज. फिर सुबह कल आई विल वेक अप अर्ली एंड लीव जल्दी. आई एम एक्साइटेड. I returned to my homestay and then continued reading The Good Girl's Guide to Murder. I want to say that I was so happy just the moment I reached Ukhimat because the people here are so nice and मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था. And this trip was much needed because I was not feeling good as I mentioned. And the moment I stepped here, I was instantly happy. Hi, and it's the next day and I am all ready to leave for Tungnath. So I'll leave within half an hour maybe. Before leaving, I think I'll eat छोटा मोटा कुछ. मैंने नहा भी लिया है सुबह उठ के, which is a good thing. So yes, I am very excited. I'm wearing this shirt which you have seen me wear 100 times already, but I'm also carrying a patla sa jacket. So that is that. I don't know what else to say. I am very excited for this one. I have waited for this trek for a really long time. Last year I was supposed to come here, but then the plan got cancelled because of heavy rainfall. But this year I made it. But now I am leaving and
you say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one.
This is where the trek starts. It's steep. I've not walked 1 kilometer. बहुत ज़्यादा steep है. So let's see how far I can go. Be ready to do business in nature. You won't get washrooms here. Trying to click photos with my tripod and then someone volunteered कि मैं खींच के देता हूँ. It was so nice. These are shortcuts. I don't think it's allowed to walk from here. So I'll take the long route and walk. I won't take shortcuts. The views are amazing. It was cloudy थोड़ी देर पहले तक, but now it's so clear. It is so green here. दर्शन तो हो गई, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि मैं चंद्रशिला जाऊंगी बिकॉज इट्स बहुत ज़्यादा क्लाउडी, बिकॉज यहाँ से कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. तो आई थिंक आई स्किप दैट. मैं नीचे जाऊंगी बिकॉज अंधेरा भी हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर बाद. इट्स ऑलरेडी 2 PM. सो मैं नीचे जाऊंगी एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ आई रीच ऊखीमठ. So I need to figure that out also. So yes, that is the update. I'm very happy. दर्शन अच्छे से हो गई. This view, it's so amazing. I can't get enough of it. It's so pretty. It's clear finally and it's so pretty. But मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ अभी. So I'll come back here because of the view. It's so nice. The white building, if you can see, the mandir is there and update time. I came back around 30 minutes or maybe 45 minutes ago, and then I thought of like maybe I should go to sleep. I was feeling tired. I'm feeling tired, and that is when I thought maybe I should eat some snacks and coffee. And this is what I saw. Let me show this to you. What I saw. It's so pretty. It's an orange sky. It's so pretty. Just left my homestay. The people here are so nice. It did not feel like a holiday. It felt like I am visiting my home. Anyways, now I'll take a cab to Rudraprayag, and then from there I might take a sharing cab or a bus, whatever I'll get. And from there I'll go to Rishikesh. I'll stay there for a day. So I was staying there. If you can see the pink house, the green house, I was staying there, and the view is so nice. Also, are you seeing the views? Beautiful views. I love mountains. I don't think that I'm using the right adjective to describe the beauty of this place. So I reached here थोड़ी देर पहले मैं पहुंच गई. I don't have any plans for the day. Right now I'm feeling very sleepy, so I might just sleep for some time. Next day, and I am staying at Madpackers Rishikesh. This is my second time. Before this I stayed at Madpackers Jaipur. I am right now on the terrace, but the common area of this one is so cute, and I wanted to keep these 2 days very chill. I am going for rafting. Very randomly decided that I'm going for rafting. Not randomly though. I wanted to do it this time. Okay, so if I have not already mentioned, I don't know swimming and I'm shit scared of water. And I don't know why I thought maybe I'll do this all alone. So I booked this rafting thing.
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what?
It was a nice experience, but it also made me realize कि मुझे swimming सीखनी चाहिए, because I was scared, and I also know that it was all in my head. Post that, I went to a nearby local shop from where I got a very nice lavender ether, which I really like a lot. And after that, I went for a little walk, but it was very sunny. So I decided to go to this cafe, which is a very popular. It's the Freedom Cafe. Firstly, I ordered cold coffee, which was not that great. But then I saw someone drinking something yellow drink. Wanted to try that. And it was the best golden turmeric milk, जो हल्दी दूध पीते हैं हम घर में. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी था and I really liked it a lot. This trip for me was much needed. Sometimes you just need some time alone to figure out things. And I don't know about you, but mountains do make me happy. And yeah, that was it for this video. Bye.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.